Welcome back to CarWow 787, where we bring you the latest updates on the most exciting electric vehicles. Today, we're diving into the world of electric trikes with an in-depth look at the new 2026 Hidoes HT1 Electric Trike. This futuristic three-wheeler is designed for both urban and long-distance riders, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and comfort. If you're curious about what makes the Hidoes HT1 stand out in the growing electric trike market, stick around. We'll be covering everything from design, performance, battery life, features, and why this could be the future of three-wheeled mobility. Now let's jump into it. Design and build quality. The first thing you notice about the Hidoes HT1 is its futuristic and sleek design. Unlike traditional trikes, the HT1 comes with an aerodynamic body, sharp LED lighting, and a modern dashboard that gives it a premium look. Frame and structure, built with lightweight aluminum alloy, making it both strong and easy to maneuver. Color options. The 2026 model comes in matte black, metallic blue, and pearl white, giving buyers plenty of choices. Seating comfort. The ergonomically designed seat with memory foam padding ensures that even long rides are comfortable. Wheels and suspension. The front dual-wheel setup with hydraulic suspension enhances stability while the rear wheel provides better traction on different terrains. This trike is not just about looks, it's designed to provide a comfortable and stable riding experience. Electric powertrain and performance. Now let's talk about performance. The Hidoes HT1 is powered by an advanced electric motor that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive power. Motor power equipped with a 7 kW hub motor, giving it instant torque and quick acceleration. Top speed. The HT1 can reach up to 85 km/h, 53 hits, making it perfect for both city rides and short highway commutes. Acceleration, it goes from 0 to 50 km/h in just 4.2 seconds, which is impressive for an electric trike. Drive mode options comes with 3 drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing riders to choose between efficiency and performance. Hill climb assist. If you're in a hilly area, this feature makes sure your trike doesn't roll backward when stopped on an incline. With a powerful motor and a smooth transmission system, the Hidoes HT1 is built for riders who want both efficiency and speed. Battery and range. One of the most important aspects of any electric vehicle is its battery life and range. The Hidoes HT1 is equipped with next-generation lithium-ion battery technology, offering exceptional range and durability. Battery capacity: 6.5 kWh lithium-ion battery for extended range. Range per charge: depending on riding conditions, it offers up to 160 cc's, 99 miles per full charge. Charging time: fast charging enables 80% charge in just 2 and 5 hours, while a full charge takes around 4 hours. Battery lifespan: designed to last over 1,200 charge cycles, ensuring long-term reliability. Swappable battery option. Some variants offer a swappable battery system, allowing users to replace the battery at designated swap stations instead of waiting for charging. With this high-efficiency battery system, the HT1 is perfect for daily commutes and long-distance rides. Smart features and technology plays a huge role in making the Hidoes HT1 a next-gen electric trike. Here are some of the smart features that set it apart. Digital dashboard. The 7-inch touchscreen display provides real-time data on speed, battery, navigation, and more. Smartphone connectivity. Pair your smartphone via Bluetooth to access music, calls, and GPS navigation. Regenerative braking system converts kinetic energy into battery power, increasing range. Reverse gear. Unlike traditional trikes, the HT1 has a dedicated reverse mode, making parking and maneuvering easier. Anti-theft system includes GPS tracking, remote lock/unlock, and alarm system for added security. These features make the HT1 not just a ride, but a smart mobility solution for the future. Braking and safety. Feature safety is a top priority, and the Hidoes HT1 doesn't compromise. The braking and safety systems are designed to provide maximum control and security for the rider. Braking system. Equipped with dual-disc brakes at the front and a single-disc brake at the rear for maximum stopping power. GPS prevents skidding and ensures safe braking on wet or slippery roads. Traction control helps maintain grip and stability during sudden accelerations or rough terrain rides. LED headlights and taillights provides better visibility during nighttime rides with automatic light adjustment based on ambient lighting. Side stand sensor prevents the motor from running if the side stand is engaged, ensuring safety before riding. With these advanced safety features, the HT1 is one of the safest electric trikes in the market today. Pricing and availability. Now let's talk about the pricing and availability of the Hidoes HT1 Electric Trike 2026. Expected price starting at around $4,500, $5,500 USD, depending on the variant and features. Launch date expected to hit the market by mid-2026. Global availability initially launching in Asia and Europe with plans to expand to North America and Australia later in the year. Pre-booking. Early pre-bookings may come with additional incentives like free charging credits or extended warranties. This makes the HT1 a competitive option for anyone looking to switch to a smart and efficient electric trike. Why you should consider the Hidoes HT1. If you're still wondering whether the HT1 is worth buying, here are some key reasons why this trike is a game changer. Eco-friendly, zero emissions, helping the environment, high range and fast charging, perfect for both city and highway use. Powerful motor delivers excellent speed and acceleration. Smart features, connectivity, GPS tracking and safety systems, affordable pricing, competitive pricing compared to similar models. Whether you're an urban commuter, delivery rider, or someone looking for a futuristic ride, the Hidoes HT1 is a top-tier electric trike to consider. So, that's everything you need to know about the new 2026 Hidoes HT1 Electric Trike. With an advanced motor, long-range battery, and smart features, it's clear that this trike is set to redefine electric mobility. Would you consider buying the Hidoes HT1? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Your channel name. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest electric vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and stay charged.